Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. It's time to reveal my Holy Grail skincare products straight from the fabulous collection of BrownGirlBella. Now these products I have been loving all 2024, but whether you are a newbie or a seasoned pro, I've got you covered with products that will transform your routine and keep your skin melanin rich and looking flawless. So let's dive right in, shall we? Yes, we shall.
BrownGirlBella.
Starting with cleansers, this is the YSL Pure Shots Clean Reboot Mousse. It is a total game changer. Now, I got this from the brand, but ever since I started using it, I kept going back to it every time. So this is now my second or third purchase of this product. It is so lightweight, yet it's powerful enough to sweep away dirt, oils, any residues, any makeup residue. Anything that is on your face is going to be clean after this product without stripping the skin, which is very, very important. You know, I'm a big proponent of that. Plus, the foamy texture that you get feels luxurious on the skin. It does have a bit of fragrance because it's made with jasmine, I believe. Yes, jasmine flower, amino acids. So it is purifying, it is balancing, and you will smell a little bit of that jasmine, but it does dissipate quickly as you're washing your face. I got a very good clean from this product on day one, and that has got me going back for more ever since. So yeah, YSL Pure Shots, worth the money. Okay, babes, where's my double cleansing queens? I know y'all are out there. This one is another one that I discovered from the brand Skin 1004. This is a Madagascar Centella Light Cleansing Oil. It is pure magic in a bottle, babes. It is gentle. Again, it melts away every trace of makeup. It gives me that clean, smooth canvas that we all love without clogging our pores. Plus, it's infused with Centella for those skin sensitive moments. Now let's talk about getting that glow, babes. Here is the Ordinary Glycolic Acid 7% Toning Solution. It is a cult favorite, babes, for a reason. Not only is it budget friendly, it's effective and sloshes off all of the dead skin cells, leaving that radiant, beautiful glow underneath. Remember though, start slow and always use sunscreen after using this product. Babes, this next one is a luxurious gem. This is the Swalasu First Care Activating Serum. This serum not only hydrates, smooths, and preps the skin so beautifully, it's like giving your skin a glass skin moment while boosting every other product in your routine. It just makes everything else better. I cannot get enough of this. Thank you to the brand for giving me this product, but I would buy it even if it wasn't given to me. That's how much I love this product. Definitely a staple this year and probably many, many more years to come. Now, this next one is for my girls that have that delicate under eye problem, whether it is dark circles like myself or bags or puffiness, whatever it is, this next product is going to be your holy grail. This is the Medic 8. This is a crystal retinol ceramide I3 miracle worker. It's packed with retinol to fight those tiny fine lines underneath your eye, and the ceramides will help keep the skin soft and supple and hydrated. Trust me, babes, this is next level care for your eyes. Next level. I could not get enough of this. Now, I discovered it in my cult beauty box last year, and so I just finished it this year, and I'm gone back for another one. This has been a great product and a holy grail. Babes, next I have the Skin Fix Triple Barrier Lipid Cream. This is my go-to for deep hydration and barrier repair. It is rich, but it's lightweight, and the peptides give your skin that plump, youthful bounce that we all crave. It's perfect for locking in the moisture at the end of your skin care routine. Now, whether you do as many steps as I do, or you pare it down to maybe 2 or 3 steps, this definitely needs to be the last thing in your skincare before you go to bed. I absolutely love it. Now, babes, for some weekly self-care, I would recommend the 𝕊𝕦𝕡𝕒𝕟𝕜 Papaya Enzyme Peel. This is a little slice of heaven because it's gentle, it's effective at smoothing your skin and revealing that soft, supple, radiant glow. Plus, it smells like a tropical dream. You will absolutely go bananas over this. I use this at least once or twice a week, leaving it on for 15 minutes, and then I wash it away, and then the radiance just comes out. It's just fantastic. I love this. We'll definitely be keeping this as a holy grail going into the new year. Glow, anyone? Listen, I can't do a bedtime with Bella without cuddling up to this beautiful Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. Listen, this is a staple in my nighttime routine because it hydrates, it brightens, and it leaves my skin looking dewy and refreshed when I wake up in the morning. I was so happy that Glow Recipe brought this back because they had discontinued it for a while. And when I heard that they were discontinuing it, I went and I bought 2 of them. So now that it is back, I'm so glad because this is the second one of my 2 that I had squirreled away. So now I don't have to hoard anymore. I can let you babes have some as well. So this is a staple of mine. I love it. I use it almost every single night. And I'm so glad that Glow Recipe brought this back. Like I said, it is a godsend in my routine. I can't get enough of it. Plus, who doesn't love to smell like delicious watermelon before they go to bed? You're gonna love it, babes. Last but not least, we are going to talk sunscreen. Now, if you've been on my channel any length of time, you know what I say. Black don't crack, but we will have a little crevice or 2 if you're not putting on that sunscreen. So, babes, here is one for you. This is the Shea Moisture Melanin Care Nourished and Radiant Broad Spectrum SPF 30 Face Lotion. Babes, for melanated skin, this is one to get. Not only is it lightweight, it's hydrating, and it leaves 0 white cast, but it protects that glow with a subtle hint of moisturization and gives your face such radiance. You can actually just go out of the house with this on and that's it, and you will get so many compliments, babes. I know I have just leaving the house with this because guess what? That's what I did today. And as you can see, the skin looks glowy, bright, and awake without using any makeup. So it's a staple for me, and it will be a staple for you. Grab some today, babes, and protect that glow. And there you have it, babes, my Holy Grail skincare product. Let me know which products you're excited to try or have already tried or own down in the description box below. Don't forget to like, boom, subscribe if you're not already, and hit that notification bell so you're notified each and every time that I upload, post, or go live. For more beauty magic, make sure you have it locked here to BrownGirlBella. Until next time, stay fabulous, and you have now been Bellafied. Bye.